Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some really cool tips that you're going to want to know. A lot of people are showing you how to use this 3.1, the VEO 3.1 in Grok to create what they call unlimited videos. Technically, there is a daily limit. Now, granted, the daily limit is significant though, because I've created all of these already today, and there's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and I'm still going. It's still letting me create more. So there's a lot of videos you can create in a day, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to get past that, and I'm also going to show you how to create consistent videos, and I'm going to also show you how to do it free. So the first thing you need to do is copy the link below to Geminigen.ai, and you're going to come here and you're going to go up here and click Studio, and that will bring you to this area here. Now, Grok at the moment is completely down and is not available to free user, so I'm not even going to show you that one. Click on the free VEO here. Now, before I show you how to use this, I'm going to show you how to create the prompts for this. For that, we're going to use Claude AI. Absolutely free. And I'm going to show you really quick what you need to do to create a master prompt. So for example, I am creating a video for a song I created in Suno. Technically, my grandson created the song. I uploaded it. I added lyrics to it, and then um, Suno added the rest. So what I did is I found out, okay, how long is it? It's 4 minutes and 24 seconds. I came in here and said, okay, right here, I wrote the prompt. I want to create a video for a song that is 4 minutes and 24 seconds, needs a master prompt, and that's the ticket here. Master prompt to maintain character consistency, and video clips will be 6 seconds using VEO 3.1 free. Can you create this for me? And use the following lyrics as your guide for the video prompts. And I copied and pasted from Suno into here. Now, if you had a story, you would just copy your story into here and it would create your prompts for like if you're creating a video book, just give it your book that you wrote, and it'll come back with some questions, and it'll say, okay, before I do this, I need to know, more about the characters. And these are the questions that were asked. Who was the main character in the video? One man solo journey I selected. I selected white Caucasian, 40s, wise, and returning. Your questions may be significantly different based on what you're creating, but that's pretty much it. Then Claude came back with the quick math, 264 seconds divided by 6, 44 clips. And it gave me a master prompt with 44 clips. Now, all you're going to do is copy this master prompt, and you're going to come back to the VEO 3.1. You're going to scroll down. Now, you can change this to VEO 3.1 Lite. Now, before I go any further, please consider hitting that thumbs up if any of this helps you. It really does help the algorithm, and share it with somebody if you know they'll be interested in it. So go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see the prompt here. Mine's already filled, but you're going to come back and you're going to paste it right here. Then you're going to go back here again. Because you're not done yet. You're going to go down to your very first prompt. Now, you could just copy this down here. What I like to do is copy this and then paste it. Then copy this and then paste it back into VEO. And then come back and do this one. All right, so I went and I copied the prompts that I need for mine to be correct. I'm selecting 16:9, 720p, and 6 seconds. and I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. Now you're going to see this every single time. You're going to have to select the box, and then it will say generated. Sometimes it's really super quick. Other times it's a little bit slow depending on how many people are using the application. Now, while this is generating, you can click over here on history and you'll see the progress of your generation. And like I said, it takes a little time. And you can also come in here when it's done and you can hit delete. And when it's actually done, you'll get the option to download here as well. All right, so the video finally finished, but unfortunately, some goofball tech guy accidentally hit refresh the page, and now I can't go back to watch it. And if I go back to Studio, it's giving me the new page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this real quick, and this is where you would download it. Just hover over the top of it and hit download, and then I'll go ahead and open it and show you. So now, as you can see, my prompt got inconsistent. So I'm going to go ahead and recreate. I'm going to hit recreate. And then I'm going to come back in here. And it's because I accidentally copied the wrong prompt into here. What I should have been copying is this right here, because it will give me back my consistent prompt. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go Control V, and then I'm going to recreate it. And that should hopefully give me my consistent prompt back again. I accidentally pasted the wrong prompt in. I forgot I had changed the prompt to fix the issue I was having. But that's pretty much it. This is absolutely great. It's free. And if you need to create more of these, if you run out of free generations, all you do is go and sign up for another Gmail account, and you'll get another 40, 50 for the rest of the day, something like that. I don't know how many it is. Let me know in the comments below how many free you ended up getting. But if you had 2 or 3 Gmails, you could easily create your full video or whatever you're trying to make. You probably could create your own movie with this if you really wanted to. You can actually tell each character what they're supposed to say. It's not perfect, but it's worth trying. Let me know how you make out with that. All right, anyways, that's pretty much it, my friends. Please consider hitting like and subscribe. All right, thanks for watching.
She don't know she's doing it, the way she tucks her hair back when she laughs. Got her coffee going cold again, too busy being beautiful to notice that. She reads the last page of every book first, says life's too short to wait for the ending. And I just sit there watching her, thinking God was